Hi, my name is Zenzale. Welcome to my channel, Urban Eve. In this video, I'm going to do a quick eyeshadow tutorial using the Club Nebula palette from Kaleidos in their latest collaboration with Angelica Nievequist. I hope I'm saying her last name right. If I mess it up, I sincerely apologize. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It comes in this really fantastic collectible box. This is it, and it opens up like that. It has this really cool invitation card in it. Now, I have to admit that the entire Club Nebula theme of playing spades on an icy planet far, far away did not really hit the mark for me. Like, I didn't really fully understand it, but that's neither here nor there. It did not and does not keep me from enjoying what is clearly a palette curated by someone who is a huge fan of science fiction. These shadows are all named after sci-fi television and movie series moments, names of characters, and this is what the palette looks like. I think that it's really lovely, and I love that she named shades like the red planet right here. This one actually has a spade imprinted on it. It might be like kind of pressed down now. It's kind of hard to see. And then like this one is Firefly, which I think was a sci-fi series. This one is You're My Only Hope, which as a Star Wars baby, I absolutely immediately recognize as the message from Leia sent to R2-D2 to deliver to Luke Skywalker. This shade right here is the shade that drew me right in. I was just like, okay, I see this shade. It's called Gravity. It's lime green. I'm a lime green junkie. I'm here for it. I'm absolutely here for this shade. I would definitely encourage you to watch other videos reviewing this palette for shade swatches and the names of the other shades. I'm really not here for that in this video. I'm just here to show you how I achieved this incredible look using 5 shades. And this is basically, it's based on the look that Angelica does on her own video, using this palette, I think, for like maybe the first or second time and demonstrating the different looks that you can achieve with it. I will put the link to that video here somewhere. I definitely encourage you to take a look at that video as well. She does amazing looks with this palette. So without further ado, if you want to see how I recreated Angelica's beautiful green themed eyeshadow look using 5 shades from this palette, keep watching. over my review slash eyeshadow look slash tutorial using the Club Nebula palette, which is the collaboration between Kaleidos and Angelica Nevequist. I hope that's the correct pronunciation of her last name. Again, I'm sorry if I messed it up. This is one of the latest eyeshadow palettes that has been released from Kaleidos. It really was a joy to use this palette. It definitely felt to me like a little journey to various different planets and moments in sci-fi, television, and film history. And it was just in itself, just a fantastic experience for anybody who loves to use just unique, beautifully shimmery, duo and multi-chromatic, dimensional shimmer shadows. And I mean, this, I don't know if my camera does these shimmers justice, but I mean, it is just, they're just fantastic to look at on the eye, depending on what kind of light you're in and what angle that you're turned at. So I had a lot of fun using it. Please let me know what you thought of this look in the comment section below. Let me know who my sci-fi fans are out there. My Star Wars babies, Battlestar Galactica, Buck Rogers. I didn't watch that one a lot, but I did watch it. That was with Lee Majors. Wow, that is old. Wow, that is really old. Caprica got like, what, 1.5 seasons. I really liked that show as well. Yeah, let me know who my sci-fi fans are out there. And I hope you enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun doing it. And as always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video soon. Yay!